iOS 26 brought a fresh update to the design with its new glass-like icons, which are transparent and modern. But some people might not like this futuristic look and want to bring back the classic, simple appearance of their icons. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily disable the glass effect and restore your icons to their usual color. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be updated on my new tutorials. So the first thing you need to do is go to your phone's home screen, then tap and hold anywhere on an empty spot on the screen until your icons start shaking, also known as entering wiggle mode. Once you do that, you'll immediately see the edit option in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it. Then, in the menu that appears, select Customize. This will open a menu at the bottom of the screen where you can choose the color and shade of your app icons. If you no longer want the glass look for your apps and want your icons to look like before, simply select the default option on the left side. This will restore your icon's color to the standard appearance. If you prefer a darker look for your icons, just select the dark theme here. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thanks for watching and see you soon.